over the past few years, we've seen a slow decline in the quality of the internet service provided to the island. And about last year, I believe October, November, the Island Council requested a meeting by the governor with SATEL just to get some insight into what their challenges were, how they were planning to move forward, what were their plans in terms of upgrading the internet and providing better quality service to the customers of SATEL. And also, it's important for them to know that their customers are our constituents, and we are concerned with internet at home, internet for businesses, and as customers, we also see that the internet quality isn't as great as it used to be, and we really want to have that addressed. After a few months of not having gotten the meeting, we decided to request an Island Council meeting with the governor to get some answers and put some questions to him. Yeah, so of course I want to make it clear that it's not the Island Council's job to do the job of SATEL. SATEL is a government-owned company, yes, and they should know best how the company should be run. However, in light of the fact that we see a decline in quality of service, we have a few questions, and we want to know, hey, can you do it on your own? Do you need external assistance? For instance, one of our concerns is fiber to the home. We know that currently there is no fiber to the home, and we know that a lot of places in the world and a lot of places in the region, they're moving in that direction. So we want to know what SATEL's limitations in that area. Is it financial? And if it's financial, have they approached financial agencies? Have they looked at the national government, who has said that this is a concern for them, that they think that a priority for the national government is having fiber optic and faster internet to every home in the Netherlands, and Saba is part of the Netherlands.